Well, hello, Morenci. So today we're going to be looking more at the cost of building a picnic table. And to start off with, I should really probably draw the picnic table and label the parts so we know what we're actually talking about. So, let's begin. Alright, so our picnic table is going to be a tabletop with benches. There are going to be 5 boards coming across the top. Those will be supported by a couple of tabletop braces. And they'll come across here like this. And then from there we'll have some legs coming down. From here, I'll do the same thing over here. And coming across that will be a big brace like this, which we are going to end up calling our bench cross piece. And sitting on top of the bench cross piece are going to be 2 2x6s on each side, for a total of 4. So we've got 5 up here, 4 there. And now we need to go ahead and just toss on some dimensions for all of this. So this piece here is going to be 26 inches. The legs from this point to this point, not how I would dimension it, but how the plans are dimensioned, are 30 inches. And this cross piece right here, let's bring that down a bit more, is 60 inches. There we go. And then we have, some extra pieces. And these here are 6 foot long. Now, in order to save the use the material best, in order to do our best job of using the material, not having any scraps left over, we're going to go ahead and buy 2x6x12s. So that means they're going to be 12 foot long. And we're going to cut them in half to come up with a 6 foot section like this. Actually, we'll have 2 6 foot sections. So all of our math is going to be based on this 6 foot length. And we're actually going to convert this over to 72 inches, 6 times 12 for that number, in order to figure out exactly what will fit inside of a 6 foot length of 2x6. So let's go and look at that now. So obviously we know our tabletop is going to fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. So tabletop and benches. Alright, and we're going to need 9 sections there. And we're going to call this a section. Our bench cross piece, let's go and label this inch. Our bench cross piece is 60 inches, so we can get 1 per 72 inch section. And we're going to need either 2 or 4 of them. So cross pieces. All right. Our, let's see, what am I calling those? Tabletop, or table braces. Yeah, let's do this over here. table brace. is 26 inches long. So if I pull up a calculator, let's do that right now. Calculator. 20 and 72 divided by 26 is going to equal 2.7. So I'm going to be able to get two of those out of this. So let's go ahead and draw that real quick. And this is showing that we are doing, this is essentially a bit of math here. We are showing that we can get two sections of 26 inches long out of a 72-inch board, and that there's going to be some left over, some X left over. We're either going to need 2 or 4 of these. Oh, but we can get one. You need either 1 or 2 sections to create those pieces. And then let's see, oh yeah, the legs. Now our legs are I'm going to call them 36 inches long. They're actually going to be slightly less than that, but I'm going to call them that because the angles here require us to use a little bit extra material. Alright, so we can get two 36-inch long pieces out of a 72-inch board, and we will require, so that means we will require 2 sections. Alright, so now we have our sections, and we're going to toss in an extra board, an extra 2 sections, for just general purpose construction needs, for either mistakes or added materials. We're just going to toss in an extra 2 sections for the sake of easy. Okay, so for this, we're either going to need 9 plus 4 is 13, 15, 17, 19 sections. Or 9, 11, 12, 14, 16 sections. And because I want to break things down into eating surfaces and structure surfaces, we can use 2 different types of wood. One that's pressure treated and one that's redwood. Let's go and break this down further. So eating is going to require just 9 sections. And then structure will require either 2, 3, 5, 7. Or 4, 6, 8, 10 sections. All right. So these are the number of sections we need to build this. Now, of course, we get 2 sections to a 12-foot board, so we need to divide these numbers by 2. So, boards. Total. 19, we're going to round that up to 20, and so we need 10, or 8. Then if we do a split, for the large section, we're just going to call it 10 divided by 2 is 5, red. And then we'll say 10 or 8, so that'll be 5 PT or 4 PT. From here we can go ahead and do additional math. Our costs for redwood are $17.77. And the costs for pressure treated are $12.57. We can go ahead and do the math here for our split. 5 times 17.77 is going to equal $88.85. And 5 times 12.57 is going to equal $62.85. And then let's try 4 times 12.57, and that's going to equal $50.28. And let's go at 62.85 plus 88.85 is going to equal 151.70, or 88.85 plus 50.28 is going to equal 139.13. All right, that's it. Coming in.